SERP Feature Optimization. All right, here's another one. I think we got two more. I know we're running a little bit long. It was a lot of stuff here. I told you it was crazy long. This refers to the practice of optimizing all of your online content so it can appear in the special features beyond the traditional text results on a search engine results page. These could be things like rich snippets, featured snippets, knowledge panels, local map maps, and more. The goal here is to help increase your visibility and potentially click-through rates by providing more prominent and visually appealing search results. We'll show you these in a minute. Optimizing for these special features often involves using structured data, improving the on-page content and layout, helps you answer questions, and ensuring your site's recognized as a credible source of information. Back to EEAT. A lot of different things out there. You have featured snippets, rich snippets, knowledge graphs, local packs, image packs. I'm going to show you some of this stuff here. There's a whole bunch of things of what you can do to improve these, right? People also ask, video, you have video boards, site links, Twitter cards, Google Shopping results, instant answers. Here's a bunch of those things, right? You've seen these, the featured snippet. I typed in what are featured snippets and up pops a bigger text at the top. This one's coming from Conductor, tells you what featured snippets are. Most people won't ever click on that link. They're going to get the answer they need right there and they're done. They've got their intent, they've got their information, they're done. That's not going to, not going to get a click. Then you have people also ask, right? This is where you get these boxes where, hey, people who ask for what are featured snippets also ask, what is an example? What is a snippet example? What are snippet features? What are the feature snippets in Google SEO? That's the people also ask stuff. How do you get that? Structured data, FAQs, Q&A stuff, going to help. An instant answer, things like dictionary. How do I spell so-and-so? What is search engine? What's a search engine? Here we go. Search engine is whatever. That's also at the top of the page. There's no clicking anything. There's no going into websites, nothing. Rich snippets. This is where you see additional information in the search results. So if I go into here and I type in pot roast recipe, within the actual search results, right? You'll see here's a picture of the recipe. Here is the rating. Here is the votes it's got and how long it takes to cook it. That is a rich snippet. This is done through, you guessed it, structured data. How do you get it? You got to have all the structured data for the recipe there. You also see site links. Site links are other links on in the site that you can navigate to from within the search results. That can also be done through structured data. You have your local pack, which shows up at the top. You have your knowledge graph. Usually if you type a company name, you'll get the knowledge graph show up. If I type in like IBM, I get my knowledge graph over here. There's IBM's logo, information about who they are, their stock price, who the CEO is, CFO, what their purpose is, and so on. If I look up a small business, if I type in Easy Moving, let me go in Tampa. They have several locations, that's why. There we go. There's some images, there's what they are, their reviews, their address, areas they serve, question and answers, reviews are here, a description, some posts that they put out, there are other profiles that they're on, and what other people search for too. That's your knowledge graph. That's what's here. And then Google Shopping, you type in, I put in workout pants. Shopping comes up. This is just like an Amazon thing. You can highlight that and look at it. It can take you off to the Reebok store, the Champion store, the Kohl's store, whatever it may be. So these are all through different parts of the options.